And I am just going to take my time and trace this line that I've just made. That's the key to a clean jigsaw cut, one that looks professional, I mean, is by taking your time and staying on the line. Don't let yourself waver left or right, because it will be noticeable when you're all done. It makes it look less professional. So just take as much time as you need, stop and start as many times as you need, and just stay as straight on the line as you possibly can. If the sawdust starts to build up where you can't see your pencil line, you can just stop the blade, clear your workspace, and start again. And now you can just kind of wiggle your way around to cut like section by section to make these 90-degree angles. So I'm just gonna like put my jigsaw back like this and come back this direction now and go all the way to the edge of my slot. If I try to just turn my jigsaw this way, it'll make a curved edge, of course, not like a perfect 90. So that's why this little hole that you've created can come in handy. I can come in from different angles here in a minute and notch that out. But for right now, I'm just gonna come back and go down lengthwise again. Now I am just going to kind of chip away at these edges to get like the perfect angles. Okay, we're all done with our cut, and so now I'm just going to pull the masking tape off. So rude, the masking tape pulled that ply up, so it's like, it was such a clean cut otherwise, but that's okay. That's really easy to fill with wood filler. You'll never know it was there.